her, I'm learning this. Because of her, I'm
Yeah.
doing this. You should say this. Right? She will feel happy. So people say like, I'm to like बचपन से I'm learning English.
Yeah, ma'am,
But
you're right.
nobody
You
will
often
say.
talk do anything for them. Right.
Hmm,
This is the certainty they couldn't change out their own destiny. Right.
very very bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Feel bad about it sometimes. Now we can start.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. So, hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, Chandan. I'm good. What about you?
Yeah. I'm also fantastic. And today I'm very excited as well because today is a certainty I must learn something new from you. Right.
Okay. How old are you, Chandan?
I'm 25.
25. Okay. It's like my younger brother. He's 22 now.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay,
my.
ma'am. Yeah,
Okay. Continue. Mhm.
okay. So, ma'am, what is today's plan of you? I would like to know.
Today, I will have some sessions with so many people because I want to recollect all the things again with different type of people with the same faces also. Because
Hmm.
this week I'm going to visit Vaishno Devi temple. Yeah, so that's why I want to make some
Okay,
videos.
ma'am. Did you stop ma'am? Because after visiting Vaishno Devi, you must uh, accumulate a lot of memory of your life,
Yes,
good
yes.
memories,
We are going
right?
for the very first time, so that's why I'm so excited to go there.
And you
Yeah,
feel
have you visited
little bit
ever? Have you ever
refreshment.
visited there?
No, ma'am,
No.
not at all.
Yeah, I'm also going for the very first time. Hmm.
Yeah, you feel like a little bit refreshment, right?
Yes,
For a while
it-
of your
after
responsibility,
visiting that. Yes,
while have schedules of a day-to-day life. Yeah, ma'am, like by visiting any spiritual place, it will give you like a different kinds of feeling, right?
divine
And
energy, positive vibes. Yes,
yeah, and that energy, it's a requirement to refreshment of your mind,
yes,
and teaching you a different kinds of lessons, right?
very, very true.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
so
why I
whenever
personally
you
believe.
try to go, okay, so do you have plan to go in future to visit Vaishno Devi in future? Will you go?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay, so
of
will
course I will
like
go.
will you take that ride, donkey ride or not? Horse riding
No,
or
ma'am.
not? Yeah, we should not take that because if we want to visit any place, we should not harm to any animal.
Yeah,
So I will also not try to do this in my
yeah,
life.
ma'am. Yeah, of
Yeah,
course, ma'am. I also do not want to harm even ant, a small ant over the
yeah. But
surface.
willingly we like unwillingly or willingly we do this. Every day we do something
Yeah,
bad unwillingly, but
yeah, ma'am.
willingly we should not try to do these type of things.
Yeah, we can
I
call
saw
like.
some videos on internet and I feel very
Hmm.
bad after watching them. We should not
Hmm.
do this.
Yeah, like tigers are eating something, right, on
Yeah,
the street,
they
in
beat
the
them very
forest.
badly if they don't carry the luggage and all the things. We should
Yeah.
not do. Hmm.
Ma'am, this is called destiny of that animals. We can't.
Not sometime, every time I feel bad. I can't beat any animal. Any animal, I can't beat them. Like even dog. I don't like dogs. I can't beat it also. I can't beat it. And cows,
Oh,
there are so many people they take the stick and they start beating them very badly. So it's also very
yeah,
painful. We should not do this. They can't say that how they are feeling now. We should not
yeah,
give
ma'am.
them pain. So
Yeah,
people enjoy. Yeah, people enjoy while doing this, but we
that is
should not.
called, ma'am, how sentiment you are in your
Hmm.
life, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Because I'm also like that, ma'am. I do not want to harm anything, any small creature,
Yes.
because this is not right. I do not. We have a right to harm any person. Yeah, anything.
Whatever we do now, we will take that back in future. So we should try to do good things with any other person or every person, with every person. So whatever we
Yeah,
do, we will take return.
yeah. If it is
So
possible in your hand, then you will make happy other people. That is good for you,
yeah, this is good for us.
right? Because
Very true.
if you are going to make happy any person in a day, that is you earn a lot of blessing of them,
Yes,
and you change something else in your life.
very true.
That will be reflection in future, right?
Yes, yes, very true. So
But
that's why
people
if you
doesn't
do
focus.
karma,
People
yeah.
doesn't focus. By having
Hmm.
the advantage in their life, they often are willing to get hurt people's. Right.
They enjoy while doing this.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Okay,
ma'am,
so
I have a question. One question related to spoken English. Like whenever you remind your previous memory about the spoken English, when you took decision to learn this language, so that feeling obviously will emerging some kinds of excitement inside of you, right?
yes. When I was in third or fourth standard, I used to go to my nanny's home na, at that time. I realized that my mama's son, like my cousin brother, they used to learn about grammar rules. So I was thinking, they live in the place and they are trying to learn English. And I belong to city, I belong to Delhi, and I'm not doing anything like him. So I should also start doing this. So I started making notes about tenses and modals, and I started learning English from my mama also. And then I started all the things. Yeah, I started like this.
Yeah, ma'am, that's whenever I listen, someone's struggle of life, their previous memories, it motivates a lot of me, really.
Yeah.
And
You
I
know,
become so
we
much
should
happy for
not
them.
ignore that person who motivated us to learn anything or to do anything. Like there are many, like now if I talk about nowadays on social media, everybody is YouTuber. You know,
Yeah.
and they don't want to give credit to Yashoda. You know, they don't want to give credit to Yashoda. After watching her, after listening her, everybody is doing the same thing. They all are creators now. They all are speaking English. They all are struggling to learn this language, but they don't want to give credit to that lady. You know.
Yeah.
So
But
yeah,
ma'am,
that's why I'm telling you that my cousin brother, he motivated me to learn this language willingly. I opened my eyes at that day when I was looking at him, like he was making his notes, and I was asking like, what are you doing, Mahesh? So he was saying, I'm making my English notes. I'm learning English now. That's why. I was shocked. You are learning English and I'm not trying to learn it. I should also do the same. So I took his notebook and I started writing all the things. So I started learning
yeah, ma'am,
because of
you're
him.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, because one day I would connected with ma'am, Yasoda ma'am, and I had a session. Okay, but that session was not going well because of
Okay.
having rain. She said me,
Okay.
we will connect tomorrow, but he wouldn't connect with me. I don't know why,
You know,
but yeah,
she is not free every day. She's not free every day. And she belongs to a village. So sometimes she didn't get time. She doesn't get time every day. She has to do so
yeah,
many things. That's why. Otherwise,
yeah,
she
ma'am,
loves to talk with people.
you're right, ma'am. And at that time, I give credit to ma'am. Like I was inspired a lot by watching your videos, ma'am,
Yeah.
in day-to-day life. Because yeah, really, I think 5 to 6 years before, I had been getting when her videos, I was totally surprised. Oh my God, in that condition, but they speak much better
Yes.
more than other.
Yeah. We should always appreciate her because she belongs to a very, very small background, you know.
Yeah,
So that's
but
why we should always appreciate her. And if
instead
you
of they
are
kept
getting
on.
motivation from her and you are starting your journey also, you have started your career also, you have started your YouTube channel also, and you have started your journey also to learn this language, and little bit praise she deserves. You can say like, because was doing the same things when she started learning, she started doing, she started making these type of videos. But
Yeah, ma'am.
after watching her videos, everybody is doing the same things. I don't want to get any kind of credit. Like so many homemakers, because of my channel's name, they are doing the same things. But I want
Yeah,
to give appreciation to her that only because of her, there are so many homemakers, working women also, teacher, nurses, policemen, police. Like there are many fields. They want to learn this language because of
yeah.
her. It was a
You're
fun
right,
only.
ma'am.
Yeah.
You are
So
right.
we
See
appreciate
the see the way of generating the idea inside of the
it.
mind of the peoples.
After watching
That's
her
why I
like
say,
in this way, in this attire, she's doing this, she has guts. So why not I can also do the same. So people started learning, people started like motivating themselves. Like I can also do the same. If she can do, we can also do. But they don't want to give credit to her. It's very selfish. They
yeah,
are
ma'am.
very selfish.
Yeah, you can right, ma'am.
Mm.
Human are very selfless person. They do
Yeah.
not want to, give credit to those people through their motivated self. And
Yeah.
usually, ma'am, I'm telling you, I have a keen desire to only practice with them. I mean, ma'am,
Okay.
yeah, only practice. I do not want to make content for my channel and etc.
Yeah,
I just normally I want to
people love
discuss.
to connect with her only for making videos, and they want to upload that video on their channel. You know,
Yeah,
so they
I
want
do
to use
not.
her.
I
Yeah,
do
they want.
not, ma'am, like that because I came here. I
But
joined this
she's my
platform.
friend. We usually talk on call. We usually talk on phone call, and I never force her. Please make video with me. I never force her. Even she says like, "D, if you want to make video, then we can make." So I say like, "Okay, one day I will make." So I never try to wait for like, "चलो यार video बनाते हैं. I will gain some views. I will gain some subscribers." We should not think like this.
Yeah, you're right,
Yeah,
ma'am. Because
take advantage
I
from any.
think making content, it will, what I say, reduce your mindset, right?
Hmm.
Like what's your intention? You define your performance. Okay. So
Yes.
intentionally, we are start discussing with the people by putting only expectation to increasement the level of our experience towards the English. So that will be much convenient for us, right? Instead of thinking and having content for channel, right?
Yes.
So
Very true.
consideration, it has a vital role into your life, right, ma'am? That's why I often discuss with the many one of them 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, unlimited hour.
Hmm. That's good.
Yeah, audio conversation, video conversation without recording. It doesn't matter
You
for
are
me.
now
That's
you are
fine.
free to have these type of sessions. Now you have much time, but I don't. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
have.
yeah.
I have.
You're right,
some-
ma'am.
Yeah.
But but yeah, instead of you say I can do everything, because that
Yeah,
kinds of
I can
statement
do
will,
everything. I have to manage, then I can do everything, and I try my best every day to do these type of things. And I enjoy a lot while doing these type of things. So I love to do. But yeah,
yeah,
I need lots of
this is
efforts.
called passion, you ma'am. Because I think 5 to 6 years before, only the people consider about this language. I will learn only. They would never consider
Yeah,
I would
they will never
speak.
tried. Yes,
But
they
this
never
is come
tried.
true.
Yes.
Nowadays, this is going to come to people directly speaking. So many teachers are, frustrated. Oh my God, no one, approaching to me for taking help. They start
Oh,
speaking directly.
yes, yes, yes.
That's a
And this is
miracle, man.
amazing. Yes. Okay,
Because
Chandan.
yeah,
Okay, Chandan. It was a nice session with you. We'll reconnect again very soon. Bye bye. Take care.
yeah. Thank you, man.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.